Mercury.
Yo, space nerds! Ready to geek out on the planet that's hotter than your mixtape? Mercury, the tiniest planet in our solar system. But it's got big swag. It's the closest planet to the sun, so you might think it's always hotter than a summer in Miami. But hold up. Nighttime on Mercury, a chilling minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Talk about mood swings. Mercury's got no atmosphere to speak of, so it's just rocking out there with its bare surface. And get this, Mercury has the most craters of any planet, like it's the ultimate party spot for asteroids. It zips around the sun faster than any other planet, taking just 88 Earth days to complete a lap. Imagine having your birthday every 3 months. And here's a fun fact, Mercury's day is longer than its year. Yeah, confusing, right? It rotates so slowly that one day lasts 59 Earth days. So next time someone asks about Mercury, you can tell them it's the coolest, cratery-esque, and moodiest planet around. Stay curious, space cadets.
Venus.
You need to hear this if you're a space geek. Venus is way cooler, or should I say hotter, than you think. Ready for a ride? Venus might be Earth's twin, but it's got some serious attitude. It's the hottest planet in our solar system, with temperatures soaring up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than most ovens. And get this, Venus rotates backwards. Yep, the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Mind-blowing, right? Venus has a super thick atmosphere that's over 90 times heavier than Earth's. Walking on Venus would feel like being crushed by an elephant wearing a sumo suit. Oh, and those clouds? They're made of sulfuric acid. Not exactly the place for a picnic. So, next time you think Earth is wild, remember Venus is out there being extra in the universe. Stay curious, space lovers.
Earth.
You need to watch this if you think Earth is just another boring rock in space. Spoiler alert, it's not. Fact number 1. Did you know Earth isn't perfectly round? It's got some serious love handles at the equator, thanks to that sweet centrifugal force. Fact 2. We're zooming around the sun at 67,000 miles per hour. Yep, you're speeding through space faster than any sports car. 3. The Amazon rainforest produces 20% of Earth's oxygen. It's basically the planet's lungs, and it's huge. 4. Ever felt a 9.5 earthquake? Hopefully not. It's the most powerful earthquake ever recorded in Chile, 1960. Watch your step. Fact 5. Earth's core is as hot as the surface of the sun. That's around 10,800 degrees Fahrenheit. Talk about a sizzling center. 6. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way. Take that, outer space. 7. Antarctica holds about 70% of the world's fresh water. Stay cool, penguins. 8. The Pacific Ocean is wider than the moon. So next time you're at the beach, wave at the stars. 9. Earth's magnetic field protects us from solar radiation. Thanks, magnetic field, for keeping us crispy-free. And finally, number 10. Earth is the only known planet with life. So, let's take care of it, alright? Stay curious, stay cool, and keep exploring. Catch you on the flip side.
Mars.
What I wish I knew about Mars when I was space dreaming in school? Let's break it down. Mars, the fourth rock from the sun, is straight up wild. It's got the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. Imagine Mount Everest on steroids. And hey, did you know Mars has seasons like Earth? Except they're twice as long. Winter wonderland, anyone? But hold up, it gets even cooler. Mars has these massive dust storms that can cover the entire planet for months. Talk about a planetary makeover. Oh, and those canyons? Valles Marineris is so huge it makes the Grand Canyon look like a tiny crack. Plus, scientists think there might have been water on Mars. Yep, rivers, lakes, and maybe even oceans. Martian beach party, anyone? Lastly, Mars has not one, but 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos. They're kinda like the funky cousins of our moon. So next time you look up at the night sky, give Mars a wink. It's got more secrets than a high school drama. Catch you on the next cosmic adventure.
Jupiter.
Why aren't more people talking about Jupiter? This planet is wild. Alright, fact number 1. Jupiter is so big you could fit inside it. Like, whoa, fact 2. This gas giant has a storm called the Great Red Spot that's been raging for over 300 years. Talk about bad weather. Fact 3. Jupiter has 79 moons. Yeah, you heard that right, 79. Imagine trying to name all of those. Fact 4. Ever seen Jupiter sparkle? Thanks to its intense magnetic field, it's got its own northern lights show called auroras. Fact 5. You could walk on Jupiter if you were like a superhero. Its surface is made of gas, so you'd sink right in. Fact 6. It's got rings, too. Not as flashy as Saturn's, but still, respect the bling. Fact 7. Jupiter spins super fast, a day lasts just 10 hours. Talk about a power nap, right? Fact 8. It's a vacuum cleaner for the solar system. Jupiter's gravity sucks in comets and asteroids like a boss. Fact 9. It gives off more heat than it gets from the sun. So, it's basically a giant space heater. And finally, fact 10. Jupiter is still forming. It's a cosmic work in progress. See? Told you Jupiter was wild. Hit that like button for more cosmic craziness.
Saturn.
I'm sure you've heard the news. Saturn's got the bling. Let's dive into why it's the coolest planet out there. First off, those rings, iconic. Made of ice and rock, they stretch over 175,000 miles. That's like wrapping Earth in bling. 7 times, and get this, Saturn's so light it could float in a big enough pool. Talk about a lightweight. Want to talk weather? Saturn's winds can hit over 1,000 miles per hour. Say hello to the ultimate bad hair day. Oh, and did you know Saturn's got 83 moons? That's a whole squad. Titan, the biggest, is even larger than Mercury. Lastly, Saturn's year is the ultimate slow-mo. One orbit takes 29 Earth years. Imagine celebrating your birthday once every 29 years. Epic. So next time you look up at the night sky, give a nod to Saturn, the bling king of the solar system. Catch you on the flip side, space fans.
Uranus. Uranus.
If you're a space geek, then you need to know these 10 bonkers facts about Uranus. Let's blast off. Number 1, Uranus is tilted on its side. That's like trying to roll a barrel uphill. Fact 2, it's the only planet named after a Greek god instead of a Roman one. Feeling special yet, Uranus? 3, its atmosphere smells like rotten eggs. Yeah, you heard that right, sulfur baby. Number 4, Uranus has rings. Move over Saturn, you're not the only one with bling. 5, it's the coldest planet in our solar system. Wrap up warm, folks, minus 224 degrees Celsius. Fact 6, a day on Uranus is just 17 hours long. Short work days, anyone? 7, it's got 27 moons. Imagine trying to name all of those. Number 8, Uranus was the first planet discovered with a telescope. Shout out to Sir William Herschel in 1781. 9, the blue-green color. That's methane gas absorbing red light. Science is cool, huh? And finally 10, despite the jokes, Uranus is seriously interesting. Keep looking up and remember, the universe is full of surprises. Catch you next time, Space Cadets.
Neptune.
None of your friends talking about Neptune? Let's change that with some cosmic facts you're gonna love. First off, Neptune's got some serious bling, rocking 6 rings, but they're so faint, they're like the ghost of your last diet plan. And get this, Neptune's winds are a whole mood. We're talking over 1,200 miles per hour. That's faster than a New Yorker late for the subway. Now you think your winter's bad? Neptune's average temperature is a bone-chilling minus 373 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, it's basically the solar system's freezer. But the real kicker? Neptune has a giant storm called the Great Dark Spot. Imagine a hurricane the size of Earth. Yep, that's Neptune flexing. Here's a wild one. Neptune wasn't discovered by just looking through a telescope. Mathematicians predicted its existence before anyone saw it. Math, am I right? And let's not forget Triton, Neptune's largest moon. It orbits backward. Yeah, it's like doing the moonwalk, but in space. So, there you have it. Next time someone brings up Neptune, you'll have some cosmic conversation starters. Stay curious, space fans.